In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Canon Vixia from Media Checkout. Before you begin shooting, you're going to want to make sure you have the following in your bag: a battery charger, a USB, an RCA, and an HDMI cord, and a mic clip. Go ahead and turn on the camera by holding on the power button. Make sure your camera has a full charge before you begin recording. To charge the camera, plug the power cord into the camera. This will only charge it if the camera is off, so you can't simultaneously record and charge. A lot of you may need the camera to record for a really long time for projects like interviews and events. You'll want to make sure there's plenty of space on the camera's built-in memory to do so. You can check this by opening up the display monitor and looking in the top right of the display. In there, you'll see a computer chip icon on the top right that will display the remaining time left on the camera's built-in memory. There are a few ways to clear the camera's memory. If you press the transfer button on the left side of the camera, the preview menu will pop up on the touchscreen display. From here, you can either hit Edit, Delete, and then select either a date or several scenes all at once to delete. The preview menu also allows you to select clips to play back. From the playback, you can also choose to delete the clip. To set up your recording, you can choose to use auto mode, which does a pretty good job of adjusting its color, white balance, and focus for your video. For more control over these qualities, switch to M for manual mode. Then you'll be able to tap on the various options on the monitor to adjust your camera's mode for various lighting scenarios. While in manual mode, you can also turn the focus ring in front of the camera to adjust your camera's focus. This comes in handy for interviews when you want an out-of-focus background to highlight your subject. To zoom in and out with the camera, there's a slider at the top of the camera. It's always a good idea to bring headphones when you're recording. To make sure you're getting the best audio, first go to manual mode in your camera. Then press on the transfer button, go to the menu, press on the wrench icon, and scroll to the AV headphones and select headphones and back out of the menu. This function will not work properly if your camera is left in auto mode. If you're using a mic for your recording, go to the menu again and the camera icon. Press on the external audio input and select the microphone. Make sure your audio is falling between the two triangles on the display. This will let you know that you're getting good audio for your recording. To begin your recording, press the red button on the back right side of the camera. Once you're done with the recording, press the red button again. It's always a good idea to have a tripod for your video to eliminate shaky footage. If you check one out from the help desk or have your own, you can attach the tripod plate by screwing it into the bottom of the camera and then snapping it onto your tripod. Once you have all your footage, make sure you power down the camera, and remember, you can come to the Multimedia Lab for help transferring, reviewing, and editing all of your footage.